What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
I'm not being overdramatic when I say that I would rather sit naked on a hot grill than wear something off the rack.
Man,
I think it was, I don't remember.
So what do you do for a living? My best, Tom. I do my best, okay? That's what I do.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
I don't want no fucking vibrator. I don't want no rose. I don't want no dildo. I want some dick. Long, thick dick.
When people ask why I bought a V8 and not an electric car.
Because I'm not a fucking pussy.
So you get a magnificent pair of bananas.
Oh, great heavens!
I was out beanered. I'll never be out beanered again.
Yo, come on, man. I can't have shit!
Who are you laughing at? What? Who are you laughing at? Don't fucking laugh at me. You've just near crashed into me.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
I suppose... No more question because I'm a little mad and I'm tired. Thank you.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I spun the nigga around and I put the nigga in the full Nelson because once the shots was going off, the two niggas was over there that was down there, pulled out the hammer, and the nigga right here.
You want me to say motherfucker to you?
I know that ain't who I think it is.
So tell us, what's your dream job? Darling, I've told you several times before, I have no dream job. I do not dream of labor.
These niggas don't got enough. Boy, he got that shit on though.
Happiness?
Happy penis.
No, happiness.
Happy penis.